So guys, we're now sitting with the sweet clients. That is Santosh and that's his wife Ramya, and this is Hari. So hi.
Hi Soumya.
How are you all doing?
Great. Thank you for visiting our house.
Oh, we're glad to be in this house, and it was very nice, being part of this house, explaining. And I have a few questions for you.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so the first question is, how did you get to know about Bonito Designs?
So first of all, we were new to Bangalore, and this is our first house. So we do not know any interior designers in Bangalore.
Okay.
So I did some raw Google search. I found a couple of interior designers, but I didn't like their work. So and then one good friend of mine, he told me about the app called House.
Mm-hmm.
So there I was looking for the best and most economical interior designers, considering everybody would want the most economical designer. Given
yes.
So Bonito topped it. So congratulations. So I did not have any second thought. The moment I saw Bonito, and then I told a few of my senior colleagues that I might go with Bonito for my design. And apparently everybody in the office know about Bonito except for me, so
awesome.
Only already knew. And the good part is that they have very good they had very good compliments on Bonito. So we had gone ahead with Bonito.
That's nice. So how is the journey with Bonito Designs?
So I would say, first of all, in one word, it's fantastic, and I would say we have learned a lot throughout this journey. Like that's because again, as I mentioned, this is our first house,
right.
So we do not know ABC of it, right?
Correct.
So we do not know ABC of this industry. So right from the marketing executive, she was Tanvi, and then the designer was Anuja.
Right.
So they're very sweet and most importantly patient in explaining things to the amateurs like us. So and we did give some trouble because I had to go to US in between, and then because of my brother's wedding, we dragged the design process for 2 months.
They have hold it for some time.
Yeah, we holded it for some time. So they compromised on the SLAs. It's a good part. So yeah, I've learned a lot, especially what would be more comfortable, what would be more decorative, things like that.
So would you recommend Bonito to your colleagues, friends, relatives?
Yes, definitely. So a couple of reasons. First of all, what was very impressive was the execution part of it. So once we finalized the designs, the final outcome, it was exactly as what we were discussing on the paper.
So the rendered images.
Exactly. It was just mirror image. So there are a couple of funny incidents. Like the execution engineer, once he came to us and hey, there was a terrible mistake which has happened.
Okay.
And then we went there, and he was referring to some wash basin there. It is unnoticeable. Like there was a difference of 2 millimeters, and he was complaining that sorry sir, we are really sorry about it. So I first of all I really liked the honesty. Second of all, I really liked the the precision or in the execution. Right, like I really liked it. And last but not the least, the final outcome. Right, we are really glad. Everybody whoever comes to the house, they really we have had many compliments on our house, so that makes us forget about the loan what we have taken. So,
exactly.
So yeah, I would definitely recommend Bonito to my friends, and in fact, I've already recommended
Awesome.
to the colleagues in my office.
So thank you so much for that. And my next question would be for you. So which is your favorite part?
One is the design near that steps area.
Okay.
Which has been
the extra
covered.
Storage with stone cladding.
Yeah, that part is the best one, and the looks of the kitchen.
So the last question. So how would you rate us on the scale of 1 to 10, and 10 being the highest? So we can discuss. It's okay. I can give you time.
It's already proven that we are very happy.
Okay.
We can see our expressions itself.
Yes, I'm so happy to see your smiling faces.
We were very happy in all the stages. Not only we don't have any problem at single stage. So I can rate 10 only.
Oh, awesome! So thank you so much for being part of this video and for giving us permission to shoot your house. So it was very nice.
Thank you.
Alright guys, it was nice talking to the clients, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up by clicking like button. Please do share as much as you can with your loved ones and subscribe for regular updates. So see you. Bye bye.